Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to stop Google Chrome from blocking downloads. So if you're trying to download any file and Google Chrome is blocking that file and not let you download that file, what you have to do is click on the three dotted button on the top right corner of your Google Chrome, click on Settings. This settings page will open, click on Privacy and Security. Now on this page, all you have to do is click on Security button, which is also the second last option. Click on Security, and then you'll be able to see Safe Browsing option. Now under that you will see Enhanced Protection, Standard Protection and No Protection. So if Google Chrome is not letting you download any file, which means Google Chrome thinks this file may be dangerous for you, so out of protection it is blocking that file. All you have to do is click on No Protection, which is also not recommended, but if the file is really important to you and you know that file is not dangerous, then you can select No Protection, click on Turn Off, and then try to download that file once again, and then you'll be successfully able to download and Chrome will not block you to download that file. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.